This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. This new craftsman home is located on a picturesque 13 acres which borders the USFS. The home sits on rolling acres of pasture, accompanied by mountain views and trails throughout the large tract that also leads to Lake Blue Ridge. Leave worries behind by owning a new home. This recently built home, completed in 2022, offers a practically untouched living space, having hardly been lived in. The home offers 3-bed/2 bath and has ample space along with a crackling wood-burning fireplace for an inviting atmosphere to relax. The master bedroom is generously sized and includes a large walk-in closet, offering plenty of storage space. On the other side of the house, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms with a bathroom in between, providing privacy and convenience. Enjoy watching time pass by on the front porch with mountain views or entertain on the back deck that leads off the kitchen for easy access to outdoor dining. While enjoying the tranquility of the countryside, this property is still conveniently located close to town, which brings ease to additional amenities that Blue Ridge is known for. Situated on a spacious property, is a building dedicated to farming equipment for easy storage and maintenance. The surrounding property with expansive pastureland is ideal for cultivating a large garden or other outdoor activities. Already established are maturing peach, apple and pear trees and a garden spot ready for your fall harvest. The property boasts a network of walking and ATV trails for nature enthusiasts, providing opportunities to explore the surrounding natural beauty. Unrestricted gives numerous hunting sites for all the wild that cross through. Additionally, with easy access to Lake Blue Ridge through the bordering U.S. Forestry Service, water activities and lakeside relaxation are just a short distance away. Here is comfort with all the perks. For more information, review the details below.